Hi friends, in this tutorial we'll be using Spring MVC handler interceptors along with Spring Boot. For this I'm going to take reference of my website javanews.com. So go to the Spring section. Here you will see the Spring Boot. This is the tutorial that we are going to implement using Spring MVC handler interceptor with Spring Boot. This is the project structure that we'll be creating. We'll be developing interceptors to log user activity. So we'll expose an API and then we'll intercept that API request, incoming API request, and log the status of the user interaction. So let's begin with the implementation. Go to Eclipse and create a new Maven project. This is the POM file. The dependency that we are going to need is the Spring Boot starter web because we are creating a web application. So copy this. Next we define the logger interceptor, which implements the Spring class handler interceptor. We override the methods of the handler interceptor to implement a logic for intercepting the incoming requests. So logger interceptor will override these three methods. Pre-handle. This method is used to intercept the request before it's handed over to the handler method. The other is a post handle. This is after the handler execution, and the last is after completion. This is rarely used in projects. This is a handler interceptor callback method after the complete request has been finished. So let's implement this class logger interceptor. Go to the Java compiler and just set it to 1.8 if this has not been done for your Eclipse. So again, these are the methods that we have overridden: after completion, post handle, and pre-handle. We are only logging the information here. Next we'll have to register the logger interceptor that we just created to the Spring Web MVC configurer adapter class. So the next config class, it will extend the Web MVC configurer adapter. You will auto wire the logger interceptor that we just created and then add it to its registry. Let's create this config class. Next we'll be creating the logger controller class in where we'll be exposing a REST web API. Finally, we'll be creating the Spring Boot main class with the Spring Boot annotation. So we are done with all the changes. We'll be intercepting the requests coming for this API /logger. So go to your application and start this as a Java application. So our application has successfully started. Next, go to this URL. So hello world logger interceptor. So our API is correctly exposed. Also, if we go to this console, you can see that we can see the logging here: before handler execution, inside executor, and handler execution is complete. So you can see that our incoming request, it has been successfully intercepted by the logger interceptor that we just created here. So this is what we are seeing. I hope you have understood this tutorial. The source code for this, it can be downloaded from here. Thank you.